How to connect Google Search Console to WordPress. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a powerful and widely used content management system that enables users to create and manage websites easily. And to start connecting Google Search Console to WordPress, the first thing that you need to do is to simply search on Google Search Console. And from here, just simply click the first link that come up. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page where you can start connecting your WordPress in here. But by clicking the Start Now button, you should be able to see here an option to add a property. But as you can see, I've already connecting my WordPress account to this Google Search Console, in which from here you can start monitoring your performance of your website, indexing, and any other data. But to start connecting this Google Search Console to your WordPress, just simply click this Add Property in here, and after that you can choose either URL or even domain. But I'm going to choose URL prefix and simply copy your website URL and paste it in here directly, and click Enter URL in here. But since I've already had here, we're already connecting my WordPress account or website, it says here that ownership is auto verified. But to show you the process on how you can start connecting it or your WordPress website in here, all you need to do again is simply click Add Property button and again choose URL or prefix and simply enter. For example, I'm going to simply enter here an example of website. For example, discamroad.com. I'm going to simply paste it in here and click the continue. Upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here and it will show you that it is verifying your property in progress. And after that, on this pop-up window, it will show you the important part of verifying your ownership of the specific WordPress website. You can simply choose this HTML tag, where all you need to do is simply copy this meta tag right here and simply go to your plugins on the WordPress in here and click Add New Plugins to start installing here a plugins called WP Code. And upon searching on it, all you need to do in here is to simply click or start activating these plugins that can help you to verify the ownership or connect the Google Search Console, which is this WP code. By installing it, the next thing that you need to do is simply click the activate button to start using it. And after that, you will automatically be directed on this page right here. Now under this install plugin section, it will show you all of your install plugins and it will show you that WP code has now been activated. And to proceed, just click the code snippets on the left side panel button and click add snippets. Then you will be directed in here and just click this add custom snippet. By clicking this one, you will be directed on this page and you can click this HTML snippet. Then simply paste here the code. But firstly, enter here the title for the snippet. For example, I'm going to enter my Google Search Console. And after that, just simply paste the code that we just copied earlier. And after pasting it, just simply click the Save Snippet button on the top right corner and do not change any of the settings that has been default in here. So now to proceed, just click the Save Snippet button once again on the top right in here to save the snippet. And once you have done all of those steps, you'll not be able to start verifying the ownership of the specific WordPress website to this Google Search Console. Then you can now start tracking the performance in here, the number of total clicks, the queries, pages, the countries, devices, search appearances, indexing pages, sitemaps, removals, and many more. In which it also allows website owners to submit sitemaps, troubleshoot indexing problems, and see which pages are being indexed or excluded. And overall, that is just basically how to connect Google Search Console to WordPress.